Samit Chavan, the technical analyst at Angel Broking, now joins in for his quick take on the Nifty. Sandeep, Samit, I beg your pardon, 8,300 now looks imminent. What will be your trading strategy intraday on the index?
Good afternoon. Yes, directionally, chart structure looks quite negative, but around 8150, 8180, we were observing multiple technical evidences that were coinciding. Hence, the possibility of a minor bounce towards 8400, 8450 was quite high. With a intraday or 1 or 2 days perspective, we are expecting further bounce towards 8400, 8450. So purely for an intraday or a 1 or 2 days trader, it would be a buy around 8260, 8280, keeping a small stop loss below 8220, and higher side target would be around 8400, 8430.
Hi Samit, afternoon. One of your recommendations today is Bajaj Auto. It's up 5%. It's the top gainer on the Nifty. Would you recommend a buy at current levels of 2050? And if yes, what would be the potential target price?
Yes, it has been a laggard since last few months. Today we are seeing a good traction in the counter. On the daily chart, we are observing a positive divergence in RSI momentum oscillator. That was the first sign of strength. The stock has also given a breakout from the downward sloping trend line around 2020, 2030. Hence, it looks a very good buy for a target of 2090. We don't have aggressive targets. One can buy around 2030, 2040, keeping a stop loss of 1990. And as I said, our target would be 2090.
Samit, what about Reliance Capital? Today that stock has seen quite a bit of traction. It's at the high point as we speak. But in the last 3 months, the stock has, continuously tested at 490 level and not, moved significantly below that, now closer to 400. You would still choose to go long?
Yes, since last couple of months, the stock has been lacking its clear direction. However, around 400, 405, we are seeing a strong support zone. Since last 3-4 days, the stock has been hovering around 400, 405 mark. Today, we are seeing a very good traction. The hourly chart structure is quite good. The momentum oscillators that are positively poised are clearly indicating some near-term bounce in the stock. Hence, this is a buying candidate for us. We are keeping a stop loss of 405 and have a target of 427.
Any thoughts on the charts of ONGC?
See, overall, we are seeing a consolidation of around 330 on the higher side and 300, 305 on the lower side. So the stock has been moving within this range since last couple of months. So directionally, the stock has to surpass 330 on a closing basis if it has to move higher. Otherwise, it is likely to remain within this range. On the low side, 300 would act as a strong support. And as I said, 330 on the higher side would remain to be a strong resistance zone.
All right, Samit, any disclosures?
Discussed stocks may have been recommended to our clients, but I don't have any personal position.
Okay, thanks very much, Samit, for dropping by and sharing your stock strategies with us.